Sacred sound, sacred sound, sacred sound, sacred sound. Keep your eyes on the prize, look past the skies, keep your head up high.
I look into your eyes, I can see your mind. I look into your eyes, I can see your soul. I look into your eyes, I can see your spirit. Sacred sounds, can you hear it? I look into your eyes, I can feel your hurt. I look into your eyes, I can feel your pain. I look into your eyes, I can feel your shame. I look into your eyes, I can feel your spirit. Sacred sounds, can you hear it?
Sacred sound, sacred sound, sacred sound. Keep your eyes on the prize, look past the skies, keep your head up high.
Sound is sacred in the heart of it all. Communities fall, victim to a system controlled by fear. Atmosphere in the heart of it all. Controlled by its fear, develop the mind, the truth, the square in the heart of it all. Many embrace the tears of a mind going crazy. Baby having babies, families having whipped off of crack in the 80s. In the heart of it all. Many characters are shady, behind the back maneuvers on your lady. In the heart of it all. Jealousy takes life on a robbing spree. 25 to life, but the verdict be murder, revealing prophecy. Cain and Abel syndrome hit home like a father's poem. My mind's an onyx stone, symbolizing the highest tones of the king.